Hello everyone, my name is Abel, I'm from Cuba. I graduated as a math teacher in Cuba, but although I know it's a beautiful profession, it is, code is my passion. The idea to get into the profession of code is about creating something unbelievable from the very beginning. And writing code in a language can be interpreted by a computer or devices. It's amazing. I decided to make a change career and search for Geeks because they have a excellent curriculum and great professors. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Juan Guzman. I'm Dominican. I choose for Geeks because I was looking for the career change. I studied computer engineers in the Dominican Republic. I found that for Geeks had the best curriculum and one other boot camp.
I've always been really interested in the world of computing. I've always found it extremely interesting how we as humans communicate using different languages, and so do computers. If you learn how to speak these languages that computers use to communicate, the opportunities are endless. You can create anything from beginning to end. I knew definitely that I had to join a boot camp. I knew that coding was a difficult thing that I couldn't possibly learn by myself, and much less without the help of the amazing teachers that we have here at 4Geeks. They were extremely thorough in their explanations. They never gave up. They were extremely passionate. And I appreciate that a lot. I know I made the right decision coming to 4Geeks, and I gained all the knowledge I know today, not only because of the teachers, the staff, and the great curriculum that they do have.
Our website helps you to connect with the lawyers in our registry. You can ask questions about legal issues and give a lawyer answers. You can build a connection with a lawyer before you start in the office, and you can take an orientation about you have to do before stepping in office.
The idea came to us from my work, actually. I am a legal assistant at a personal injury law firm, and the idea came from me talking to customers every single day. They would call us in with issues for real estate, copyright, divorce law, and it made me believe that they don't have the right resources to find the right attorney. I'm not sure how many of you have ever had to look for an attorney, but it can be a tedious, hard process if you don't know exactly what you're looking for. I decided to come up with the idea of allowing users to log in, ask questions, and have them answered by certified attorneys prior to meeting them at the office. I'll give you guys a walkthrough through the website and show you all the features that it does have. It'll take you to our landing page first. Our website is free, but you do have to sign in to use the service. We have here our footer, which has our social media. First step, we'll go ahead and create an account if we don't have one. We'll go to the sign up on the right top corner. You'll start by putting in your name, email, password, that sort of thing. Once you do have an account, also you can register as a user and as a lawyer. Lawyers do have their own account, so they can log in and answer your questions. Once you do have an account, you'll go ahead and log in. Allow me 1 second to log in. Alright, so once you log in, the first thing you'll see is our Registry of Attorneys. It is kind of small now since it hasn't been published yet, but it grows by the day. Once you see the Registry of Attorneys, you can contact them by email. You know the name of the law firm in case you want to show up in person. You have their phone number as well. But the big piece of the cake on the website will be the Ask a Lawyer section. Once you go to the Ask a Lawyer section, you can go ahead and submit your own question to an attorney. We'll type a sample question. Now the magic is in the submit button. We used a couple of different programs to make this work, but once we click submit, your question will pop up below, and the submit button triggers an email blast to all the attorneys registered on our website. Usually within 24 hours, an attorney will answer your question. Pulling up my email to show you. Here it is. You probably can't see it from far away. You have to believe me on this one. But you'll get an email alert with a link that'll take you straight to the website. Once the attorney is on the website, they'll go ahead and log in. So you can log out. The attorney will go ahead and log in. Once you log in, the attorney will go to Ask a Lawyer. And he'll be able to see all the questions that have been asked. He'll be able to click on Answer. And he'll give you an explanation. Now you might be thinking, why would an attorney go on a website and provide his service for free, huh? While studying for this project, we found out that the Florida Bar, which is, pretty much they maintain all the information for all the attorneys in Florida, they require attorneys to complete 20 hours of pro bono time per year. Attorneys can use our website for their pro bono time by just answering questions, I apologize. It could be anything from 20 to 30 minutes per answer, or if it's something that requires a lot of research, they could probably add an hour. These pro bono times for the Florida Bar are completely based on trust into the attorney. They don't explore how many hours they have. It's kind of like the IRS when you file your taxes. They can have you and do an audit, but most of the time it doesn't really happen.
In order to make that happen, we use the Heroku recurse called MailGun. We implemented it in the backend, the link in it in the submit button. That is saying the send email with the phone or your email. That's it.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming and listening. That's the conclusion for our presentation. Thank you.
We could, of course, not conclude the presentation without thanking our awesome teachers. James, Jao, you were there with me since the beginning. Step by step, we got it accomplished. Paolo, who also helped me out a lot. And Alejandro, cannot forget about you. Marcelo, you guys are all great people. Thank you so much for all the knowledge you've implanted on us. And just know that this knowledge will be lifetime.